Hey friends, welcome back to my new video. So this is the another part of how to launch satellite in orbit for beginners. So let's get started. This time we have different rocket design and a different satellite payload. So let's get started. We launch our satellites in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition, liftoff. We have a liftoff, all three engines running. We have reached 1000 meter or 1 kilometer in altitude. Everything is normal throughout the flight. So this is actually not the reusable rocket. If you want the reusable rocket videos, you can check out in my channel. We have successfully reached 10 km in altitude and everything is normal throughout our flight. Okay, in few moments we'll have booster separation. Engine cut off. Let us throttle down a little bit so we can separate the boosters. Okay, booster separation confirmed and we are continuing our journey to our preferred orbit. Everything is normal throughout the flight and we have successfully passed the Kármán line. We will separate the fairings at around 75 km in altitude. We have successfully reached 50 km in altitude. Okay, in few moments we will have MECO or main engine cutoff. Okay, main engine cutoff confirmed. Stage separation confirmed. Fairings successfully deployed. We will ignite our second stage engine in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, fire. And everything is normal throughout the flight. So today our preferred orbit is 600 km around orbit, Earth's orbit. This will be the first time in YouTube history where you will see two satellites docking each other or connecting each other in space. So let's make history. Everything is normal throughout our flight. Engine cut off. Let us coast a little bit in our orbit so you can fire once again to reach the preferred orbit. Okay, it's time to do the last burn so we can get our preferred orbit. 3, 2, 1, 0, fire. Second stage engine fire confirmed. In few moments, we'll reach our preferred orbit. Everything is normal throughout the flight. We still have a lot of fuel remaining. And yes, we have successfully reached the preferred orbit. Now let's coast a little bit to separate the satellites from the second stage. Okay, it's the time for the separation and for making history. We'll separate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, separation confirmed. The next event is satellites deployed in both the satellites. Solar panels are successfully deployed. Now let's separate the both satellites. As you can see, the both satellites are separated. Now I'll show you how to dock the two satellites each other. So let's get started to make history. And yes, we made history. First time in the world to dock two satellites in orbit. Now let's release them again so they can go in their preferred orbit. Thank you for all watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Write the comment and let me know what you think. Thank you.